Hey everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is a soup. This one's from Pioneer Woman's website, so we're going to put a link to the original recipe in the description box below, but I feel like this one's keto. So this is a simple roasted butternut squash soup, and involves, we're adding bacon and some salmon to it. It's just my mom's, additions. But if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Hey everybody, happy Monday. It's time for another soup recipe. As Yoda said, this one is a simple roasted butternut squash soup. However, I did not have 2 pounds of butternut squash in cubes that I could put on here like it said. I had like 1. So I used a couple of bags of a zucchini blend, and these are frozen, and then a cup of chopped frozen onion because it called for a medium onion. Then you drizzle in oil. I'm using olive oil, and then you put garlic on there, but I'm using the blend because it has salt, pepper, and garlic. And you toss that all together with the oil on your baking sheet. Put it in a 425-degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes. All right, so we have finished roasting. It took about 40 minutes for the ones I had. And then you take all the roasted items and put them in a soup pot along with at least 2 cups of chicken broth, but I had 4. It says or more as needed, and I want more soup than that, so I did 4. And then once it starts simmering, then we're going to use either an immersion blender. I'm just going to use this. I mean, those were pretty soft when I took them out of the oven. I'm just going to use a potato masher to mash mine up. I don't like having to get out a blender. Sometimes it creates a big mess that I don't like to clean up. But anyway, so you mash that all together, and then you just add in a cup of heavy cream or coconut milk, like from a can, like coconut cream. And then you add some bacon bits if you want. Now, I'm going to add bacon bits, but I'm also going to add 3 packages of salmon because I want salmon flavor in mine. So, but I'm going to put a link to the original recipe below so you can see the options of things you can add, or even the options of different seasonings you could use to roast the vegetables with. But anyway, that's what I'm putting in mine. All right, so I just put a cup of heavy cream in there. Again, you could use coconut cream or milk if you want to. And then you can put bacon bits, salmon, whatever else you want. Enjoy. All right, everything's in there. I got the bacon, I got the salmon, and it tastes really good. I added a little bit more of the blend. It says you can if you need to. So again, I'll put the original recipe in the description box below, but this one's pretty good. Enjoy. Happy Monday.